In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a review on the TikTok app. Whether you want to share your thoughts about a product you've purchased or give valuable feedback to other buyers, posting a review on TikTok is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together step by step so you can comfortably post your review and help others in making informed purchasing decisions. First, let's begin by launching the TikTok app on your phone. Make sure the app is up to date for the best experience. Once you're in, you need to be logged into the account you originally used to place the order. It's important that you're using the right one, as this is where all your past purchase details are stored, which you'll need to access. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to your orders. To do this, start by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Depending on your app version, you'll either see the TikTok shop icon, which looks like a shopping bag, or you might need to select Me, followed by Orders. This will take you to a list of all the orders you've placed. In this list, locate the specific order for which you want to leave a review. It's a good idea to take a moment to reflect on the item and your experience with it, as this will help you write a comprehensive and useful review. Next, tap on the option that says Order Details. This brings up a detailed view of your purchase, providing you with more context about the product and the transaction. As you scroll down on this page, you should see a section labeled Leave a Review or sometimes Write a Review. It might appear differently based on updates or regional settings, but it should be relatively easy to find. Once you've accessed the review section, it's time to let others know what you think about the product. Start by giving the item a star rating from 1 to 5. Think about various factors such as quality, usability, and whether it met your expectations. Each star counts, so be thoughtful in your choice. After providing a rating, go ahead and write your feedback. Share useful insights about the product and the delivery. Was the shipping prompt and reliable? Did the product match its description? These details can be very helpful to potential buyers. For an even richer review, you can optionally attach photos or videos. This can provide other shoppers with a clearer view of what to expect, adding another layer of trust and authenticity to your feedback. Finally, when you're satisfied with your review, tap Submit. By doing this, your review will be